In this video, we're sharing 20 amazing tools that can help you work faster, stay organized, and get more done. These are tools we actually find useful, and some of them are seriously underrated. Let's get started. Trackwall System. The Stanley Trackwall System is a flexible, wall-mounted storage solution for homes, garages, and workshops, designed to organize tools and equipment efficiently. Its modular accessories and twist-and-lock installation allow easy customization and quick setup to suit different spaces and needs. Cortex FASCIA. Cortex FASCIA is the strongest and easiest solution for hiding fasteners in TimberTech composite fascia boards. Using the Fasten Master Cortex hidden fastening system, it delivers a clean, fastener-free finish that perfectly matches TimberTech composite colors across the deck surface and perimeter. HYDRA. The 360 HYDRA brings hydraulic power to pipe cutting, delivering fast, precise cuts on site. From plastic to steel, it handles wide diameters and thick walls with ease, offering mobile performance and clean results wherever the job takes you. Baumacol PremiumFuge. Baumacol PremiumFuge is a high-performance, flexible cementitious grout designed for durable joints from 2 to 15 millimeters. Suitable for interior and exterior floors and walls, it works seamlessly with ceramic, porcelain, glass mosaic, clinker, and stone surfaces, even on terraces, balconies, and underfloor heating systems. RoofGoose Jack. The RoofGoose Jack is a 4-inch roof utility termination designed to neatly and securely accommodate soft, malleable copper line sets. It provides a cleaner, more contractor-friendly alternative to traditional line set doghouses and pitch pockets, simplifying installation while delivering a professional, durable roof penetration solution. Laser Measurer. The Stanley Laser Measurer makes measuring fast and effortless. With precise laser accuracy, smart calculations, and Bluetooth connectivity, it helps you measure, calculate, and estimate with ease using a compact and intuitive design. Walk-behind sweeper. This walk-behind cordless vacuum sweeper offers high-performance cleaning for construction and commercial spaces. Dual electric brushes handle fine dust and large debris, while dust collection and HEPA filtration reduce airborne particles. Its lightweight, maneuverable design and simple controls make cleaning efficient and easy. Cross Torque Wrench. The Beta Cross Torque Wrench is designed for tire shops and enables fast, consistent right-hand tightening with 4 preset torque values of 90, 100, 110, and 120 Newton meters. It offers high torque accuracy of plus or minus 4%, extremely quick torque selection, and a 1/2-inch male square drive, making it suitable for most passenger vehicles. Air Jack. This air jack provides fast and stable lifting for cars, sport utility vehicles, and light trucks. With adjustable lift height, a 3-ton load capacity, and an anti-tilt design, it delivers secure, air-powered lifting in seconds for quick and efficient vehicle maintenance. Trailer Dolly. This adjustable trailer dolly makes moving trailers easy and efficient with a strong 1,500-pound tongue weight capacity. It supports both manual and vehicle-assisted pulling, features a universal 2-inch hitch ball, and rolls smoothly on large pneumatic tires for stable maneuvering on various surfaces. $255-piece tool set. This 255-piece tool set delivers a complete workshop in one compact toolbox. Featuring a powerful 12-volt cordless drill, durable hand tools, and a smart sliding drawer design, It is ideal for quick repairs, do-it-yourself projects, and everyday home maintenance. Electric Air Duster. The Wolfbox Electric Air Duster packs powerful, reusable cleaning into a lightweight, portable design. With high-speed airflow, multiple nozzles, and fast charging, it makes dust removal easy at home, in the office, or on the go. Relhost Retractable Air Hose Reel. The Relhost Retractable Air Hose Reel offers durable steel construction, smooth auto rewind, and a heavy-duty hose for tangle-free, reliable air supply in any workspace. Its flexible guide arm and leak-proof brass fittings ensure easy handling and long-lasting performance. Dual-lens Borescope. The dual-lens Borescope delivers professional inspection power in a single handheld tool. Featuring a large 5-inch high-definition screen, dual-lens split view, and flexible articulated control, it provides clear visibility in tight, dark, or wet spaces for faster and more accurate inspections. Premium Micro Sander. The Premium Micro Sander is a compact all-in-one sanding solution built for precision work. With an ergonomic sanding block, a wide range of grits, and quick change backing, it makes detail sanding fast, accurate, and easy, even in tight spaces. Kaindl Super Carver. The Kaindl Super Carver transforms an angle grinder into a precise wood-shaping tool. Built for smooth control and clear visibility, it delivers fast, clean carving with reduced kickback and long-lasting carbide performance. Transport Trolley. The Transport Trolley for empty beams is a robust and efficient solution for safe internal handling. Designed for stability and smooth maneuvering, it simplifies transport while protecting beams and improving workflow efficiency. Head gun. This heat gun delivers rapid, high-temperature output for faster and more efficient work. With powerful, sustained airflow, it handles demanding applications that once required open flames, while a stable, flat-back design supports safe, hands-free operation. RLS Emergency System. The RLS Emergency Leveling System is an auxiliary solution designed to recover and refine tile leveling when issues occur during installation. Featuring breakable clips, it allows leveling to be completed or corrected if a main system clip breaks and helps fine-tune alignment without removing tiles. Tile Cutter. The tile cutter is built for precision and heavy-duty tiling work. Designed to handle large format tiles up to 100 centimeters long, it combines a stable steel base, smooth bearing guided cutting, and fold-out supports for clean, accurate cuts on site or in the workshop. That's it for this video. If any of these tools surprised you or got your ideas flowing, you're already ahead of the game. Keep exploring, keep upgrading your mindset, and we'll catch you next time on the Chop Busters.